Hello, future CLAT toppers. How are you all? This is Anmol Jalan from 12 Minutes to CLAT, and in this video, we are going to talk all about vocabulary, its acing techniques, and how can you boost your CLAT preparation by preparing all good vocabulary, and how can you retain them well is one of the most important questions that is being asked. Okay, so first thing first, let us understand why vocabulary is so important for your CLAT preparation. See, you all know that CLAT is a passage-based paper, right? Be it critical reasoning, legal reasoning, logical, or talking about current affairs or quants. English also, obviously. All these sections are passage-based, right? So passage-based paper obviously has good vocabulary passages, and to retain and understand them, you need to have a stronger vocabulary. And talking about English section, you get synonyms, antonyms-based MCQ questions, and also longer passages, main idea, central idea, and to derive them, obviously understanding the passage is very important. And for all these, you need to require and attempt vocabulary words every day so that you can prepare well for the paper. So now talking about how can you ace vocabulary and what are the tips and tricks. Number 1, reading is the key. Yes, good readers are good achievers. Always remember that, right? So you need to read a lot. Reading newspapers like The Hindu, The Indian Express, The Times of India, or reading websites like Aeon Essays, or going through Magoosh Gree app, as I have already told you, or reading novels like Pride and Prejudice, A Tale of Two Cities, etc. can obviously help you in gaining good overall confidence over vocabulary, and also will help you in finding new words every day, right? So now when you're done with your reading part, what you need to do is make a vocabulary journal. Yes, you heard me right, a vocabulary journal. Every day when you will be reading newspapers, you will encounter various words which you have not heard or you find it difficult. While reading the websites also or articles, you may encounter new words every day, right? So underlining them and noting down them and finding out the meaning later on will help you prepare a vocabulary journal, right? And every day before sleeping, you need to revise it for 10 minutes at least. मतलब सोने से पहले 10 मिनट you will revise all the words that you have learned throughout the day. ठीक है? उससे क्या होगा? You will retain those words and also you will have a good collection of vocabulary including their synonyms, antonyms, meanings, etc. which will help later in your examination. Okay? Talking about next, that is flashcards. See, flashcards are very easy to make. One side you will write down the word, on the other side you will write down the meaning and its use case. If you're not getting time to prepare flashcards of your own, then obviously you can use apps like greemagoosh.com, vocabulary.com. There are various applications available of flashcards on the internet. So you can use your phone and internet wisely to get onto your vocabulary. Okay? Also, you can start learning suffixes and prefixes. See, prefix and suffix learning, or root words we can say, helps you in gathering more words together. Like for example, if I talk about bene means good, right? So if you know the meaning of bene, now you know benevolent or beneficial will obviously be positive words, right? Because bene means good. So this is how suffixes, root words or prefixes will help you in getting your vocabulary on point. Okay? Now, practice through online tools and applications. See, every day you can spend 10 minutes on Magoosh Gree, going through the vocabulary words and solving exercises. Okay? You can also download the Telegram and get free newspaper links of the Hindu editorial, the Indian Express editorial, and every day you can spend at least 15 to 20 minutes on those editorials, underlining the words and writing down them again and again and revising them. Again, this will help you in getting very good vocabulary. Okay, one more thing. Not only reading, writing will help you, but listening also helps you a lot. Okay, so you can start listening to good music that can be English, and also you can watch some web series when you are bored of studies. So taking a break will also help you in enhancing vocabulary, और साथ साथ में आपको थोड़ा entertainment भी हो जाएगा. So altogether, a good collection of things can help you, right? So what were the things? Let's revise it. Flashcards, then good movies, good music, online applications, newspapers, novels. All these sources will help you a lot in getting through your vocabulary. And the most important thing is mock test and vocabulary test. See, obviously if you are preparing for CLAT, you need to practice a lot because it's a time-based examination, right? And for vocabulary also, you need to practice a lot. Practice will obviously make you perfect. So giving a vocabulary test every day or alternative day, also appearing for mocks of CLAT and vocabulary mocks will help you in testing yourself that how much words actually are you learning. And don't forget help that retain technique. Okay, for retention, I have suggested you again and again before sleeping, do not forget to revise your vocabulary journal that you have prepared. And one more thing, additional tip for you all. See, if you have a friend group that is preparing for CLAT together, or you have joined any coaching institute online or offline, you may have friends there, right? So conversating with them every day or asking questions relating to vocabulary or talking to them with new words will help you understand them and use them in your daily life. See, vocabulary is not a thing that is developed in a day or in 1 month or something. It requires continuous practice. And using words every day in your daily life will obviously help you in understanding that meanings, and obviously it will help you to retain it more and more. या भूलोगे नहीं because आप उसको use कर रहे हो. And once you have used it in your daily life, ये आपके word के dictionary में आराम से आकर fit बैठ जाता है. You can also use it like some words आपको पसंद आ गए. Okay, I can use it in my Instagram caption, or this will be my story cover. ऐसे वर्ड्स याद करने से, या फिर यू कैन रिलेट अ वर्ड विथ योर फ्रेंड. ओके, एंड ऑल दीज कनेक्शंस, क्रिएटिंग वर्ड्स एज फ्रेंडशिप वाला रिलेशन बोलते हैं ना, जैसे कि वर्ड्स के साथ कुछ कनेक्शन बनाना है, इधर विद फैमिली मेम्बर्स, इधर विद इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी, इधर विद एनी सोशल मीडिया टेक्निक, और एनीथिंग दैट विल हेल्प यू रिमेंबर एंड कनेक्ट दैट वर्ड फॉर अ longer period of time will also help you. So I hope you found this video helpful, and remember, consistency is the key. So keep practicing, keep reading. Read, practice, and this way you will prepare well for your CLAT examination. So wishing you all the best. Do not forget to subscribe to 12 Minutes to CLAT and keep watching. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a good day, everyone.